my channel. For this week's video, we're going to be continuing on with that PT1010 label maker. We're going to be focusing on saving files. Seriously, did you know that after you've designed and put on all this hard work of creating the perfect label, you don't have to lose it? You can save it right to your machine and have easy access to it. I know, crazy stuff. Thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, so when it comes to saving files, this is really useful once you've already formatted a label that you love. So I have a label in here that's been formatted. If you're wondering how to change your size, font, the label border, things like that, you're gonna wanna see one of my previous videos because I'm gonna have skipped that for this video, but I've already gotten to the point where I've formatted. On this machine, you can save up to 9 different labels, okay? So to do so, I'm gonna go ahead and hit Function, and we're gonna arrow until we see the word file. Go ahead and hit the enter button or this little arrow. And from here, you can either print an already existing file, save a file, or open a file. So I'm gonna hit save, and we're gonna save it as file number 1. If we could arrow it and you could save it anywhere up to 9, but we're gonna stick with file number 1 because it's my original, and we're gonna go ahead and hit enter. So now I can clear this, text and format, okay. I can turn off my machine. So everything's been cleared out and my machine's off. Now, if I turn my machine on and I go ahead and hit function and I arrow over to file, we have a couple of options. We can hit enter. I can print directly from a file. So it's gonna ask you which file you wanted and you would arrow through your 9 options, or you can input it here on the keypad. I only have 1 file saved at the moment, so we'll just go from file 1 and we're just gonna hit enter and it's gonna automatically print it because we are in print mode. So now that's printing. So this is what my file had looked like. I've already formatted my label. Now again, if you wanna know how to create labels like this, please see one of my previous videos. So that is how to just print a file that we already have. Now let's say you have a candy store and this is the label that you wanna use all of the time, okay? Now, if you want to use this label all the time, but you're going to change out the word, so you might want to have Starburst or Skittles or candy or whatever, what we would do is go to File, hit Enter, and you could open that file. Now, again, you can arrow or enter which file number you want to change. In our case, we're going to go with file number 1, and we're going to go ahead and enter. Now, from here, you can see I have the word and I'm able to edit in here. So we can go backspace and we can change our wording around. Hit print. I hope you're liking what we're doing so far. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Seriously, it is so helpful for me at work and I would appreciate it greatly. Okay, let's keep going. And then now we still have that same format, but we've just changed the wording around. So that was before. Now, what we can do here is we can clear it, text and format. Now don't worry because we didn't save anything. If we go to function and we arrow over to file, hit enter. If we open that or print it, it's gonna be the same hello. So it still says hello there. Now, this is a great way. I'm gonna hit backspace just to get back to where we were. With the files, you can either print. So I already have hello, so that means I can print it every single time, that same hello. I can save if I create something and I want to save my file, which I'll show you to do next. Or I can open an already existing file. Open means essentially you could edit it. So you could edit, print what you already have, or save a new one. I'm going to hit backspace just to get to an original. So let's say we want to create a word, like a saying or whatever you want to do. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and let's make it a little funky. So let's say we wanna change our, let's say we'll change our size and we'll go small, let's go medium. And then we wanna change our style, enter, and let's switch it up. Let's do italic bold, enter, and then lastly, let's find a underline in a frame. And right now it says off, but we can go around, let's do a round one and hit enter. Again, if you want to know how to do any of that, I know that was rapid fire, go please see another video. We're gonna go ahead and print this so you can kind of see what it would look like. Now this is that label that I just created. Now if you decided that you liked this and you wanted to save it, what you would do is hit function and you would arrow over until you see the word file. Hit enter, and now we don't want to print this, we want to save it. Now you can either save it as file number 1 and that would erase the hello, so it would replace it,
or you could arrow over and save it as file number 2. Okay, now I can clear everything out, text and format, and turn my machine off. So we're starting over. We turn our machine on. What we can do is we can hit function, arrow over to the word file, hit enter. We can either print, save a new file, which we don't have anything typed up, or we can open in our existing file. I don't need to edit anything, so we'll go print. Now it's gonna open up to the last file you did, but we can either arrow, so now we have option 1, hello, option 2, hi Brian, or what we can do is hit 1 to bring us there, or we can hit 2 to bring us there. Super easy, and all you'd have to do is hit enter, and it will automatically print for you because you're already in that print setup. So again, you have 9 options of files to save. And it's that easy. I will warn you, if you ever have to reset your machine, a factory reset, it will delete everything that you have saved, including your files. So avoid a factory reset if you have precious files saved. There's no way to back those up if you have to do a factory reset. That will completely eliminate everything you have. So I always want to warn people about that. But yeah, it's that easy. So now that you know how to create labels that you love, this is how you can save them for next time.
And it's as easy as that. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.